Today's February 29th, which means we're in a leap year. And for those of you celebrating a birthday today, happy birthday! You're in good company with notables like the late Dinah Shore and actor Antonio Sabato Jr., as well as about 4 million other folks who only get to celebrate their actual birthday once every 4 years. Rather than showing you how to make a 4-layer cake to celebrate this day, we decided to whip up a batch of our doubly good cheese pancakes, which are special enough for any birthday breakfast or dinner. To make them, we start by beating some cream cheese and cottage cheese together until they're well combined. Now to that, we add a good amount of eggs. Once they're combined, we mix in some breadcrumbs, melted butter, a bit of salt, and a little sugar. After this sits for about 10 minutes, so the breadcrumbs can absorb some of the liquid, we spoon the batter onto a hot buttered griddle. But unlike regular pancakes, these are just as good served as a side dish for dinner as they are for the perfect rise and shine breakfast. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our double cheese pancakes so you can be armed with a recipe that'll have you leaping for joy. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a special day kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.